Welcome to my tips video on some things you can do for making LinkedIn content, also screen recordings, demo videos at work, or maybe even screenshots and some stuff that you can do. So this will be a few tips that I use, and the key being everything is free. So tools are all included or they're free online. So, all right, so let's get started. So how am I doing this video? I got my picture in the bottom left corner here. Notice if I want, I can make it large, so that's helpful if you're on doing a video that's got a lot of people on mobile watching it, which is most content in life. So I'm using a program called Loom. It's a plugin that you would put into your browser. You can record your desktop. You can record a screen. So you can change the audio sources. Few little things that puts a picture there. So Loom, it's a website and it's free. Obviously, you're gonna have to pay if you use it a bunch. But for what I use, I haven't ever paid it. All right. So what's something else you can do? Let's say you want to zoom into a part of the screen. You can hold the Windows key and then plus, which starts the magnifier, and then holding the Control and Alt down, you can scroll your wheel and you can zoom in to parts of the screen. So look at that, 2 views, 0 views on some of these videos. Why is that? So I'm just demoing this on my YouTube channel to show you that I have no views. No, I'll tell you why I have these videos, all these videos on my YouTube channel without views in a second here. So you can, it's simple, scroll in and out using that. And that's built into Windows, it's the magnifier. All right, so talked about my YouTube channel with no views. So what I use this for is for if I want to caption videos for LinkedIn. So don't tell anyone. So what I do is I upload my videos from my phone to YouTube, and which is nice when you're uploading with the YouTube app. It will let you crop off the start or finish of it and of the video. So you get the video up, and then about half an hour later, your video will have captioning on it. Unfortunately, it's not always perfect. Maybe it's my English, not so great. So what you do is you go and download the caption file. So there's 3 types of caption files. YouTube uses multiple different ones, and the default is SBV. So I download that file down to my computer. I edit the caption file in Notepad or whatever you want to use. And then once it's fixed, I upload it to YouTube. Now I want to take it to LinkedIn, so then I download the video to YouTube and the caption file out of YouTube, but I have to download it in SRT format because that's what LinkedIn wants. Come on, like pick a format. So anyway, so I take the video and then the SRT file and I upload them into LinkedIn, and now boom, you got captioning on your LinkedIn videos. So that's one of the nice things. So what is something else you might want to do? You might want to take a screenshot of something. Everyone knows there's a snip and sketch tool built into Windows 10. It's super nice. I've got a button on my Logitech keyboard, which I love, and I can click and take a screenshot. Well, that's not fancy. Well, what happens if you want to blur content? Here's a sample screenshot. What happens if you want to blur content in it? You're at work, you don't want to show something. So let's say you don't have Photoshop. You can do this. I use Paint 3D. It's a little bit better than Paint for doing this. You grab the select, you make a box, a rectangle box, drag the content down, deselect, reselect it, and drag it back up. There you go, blurred. So that's a nice little feature that you can do, and you can do it in any program pretty much. So those are a few tips that I use for making videos and making content. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you're having a good day.